The next sum is 54 minus 26, and you can see it is a big bracket, square bracket. 26 minus, in the curly bracket, 12 minus 3 of 4, curly bracket close, and the big bracket close. So first, this sum is looking very lengthy, but when we solve it becomes very easy. Only we have to remember the BODMAS, means bracket first. Here there are two types of bracket. The outer bracket, that is square bracket, and inside that there is a curly bracket. So you know the sequence of solving the bracket. We will solve first bar bracket, then this round bracket or small bracket, and then this curly bracket. But in this sum we have only two bracket, that is this curly bracket and square bracket. So the sequence is that first we are going to solve the curly bracket. Remaining we will write down as it is. When we will work upon the numbers, then only we will solve. Till now we have done the sums according to DMAS. Now we are solving according to BODMAS. So first bracket first. So we are solving the bracket, and sequence of bracket is also first we will solve the bar bracket, round bracket, curly bracket, and then last the square bracket. So in this there is no bar bracket and no small bracket, only two bracket, that is curly and square. So first we will solve the curly bracket. So what is given here? 12 minus 3 of 4. So we will solve. What is 3 of 4? 3 of 4 means 3 multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. So I have replaced this 3 of 4 by 12. This bracket close and the big bracket close. Now we are having in the curly bracket 12 minus 12. We will write down in the next step. We will remove this. 12 minus 12 is 0. So we will write it down as 54 minus, in the square bracket, 26 minus, I am replacing this with 0 because 12 minus 12 is 0, and the square bracket close. We have removed this now because we have solved and we have removed with the answer, that is 0. 54 minus, now we will solve this. 26 minus 0, it will be 26. So this bracket will also removed in the next step, and we have to put equal to sign. Okay, now 54 minus 26, 4 minus 6 not possible. So 14 we will borrow from here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, what it comes? 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 54 minus 26 is 28. Now we will see one more example. This is sum or question 8, 37 plus. Here you can see there are three types of bracket. The outermost is square bracket, and this is small bracket, and this is bar bracket. So we have to solve the brackets according to BODMAS, and the sequence of solving bracket, first we have to solve the bar bracket, we have to solve then secondly the small bracket, and then we will solve this curly and then the outermost square. But here there is no, this bracket is missing. We have only bar bracket, small bracket, and square bracket. So we always go with the bar bracket first. So remaining numbers in the brackets will be written as it is. We will just copy down the numbers and we will just work upon the bar bracket. The digits which are under the bar bracket will be solved first. 15 minus, remaining all the things, all the numbers, all the brackets are as it is because we are not working upon them. First we will work upon only the bar bracket. Here 6 minus 5, we are solving this. After solving 6 minus 5, you know 6 minus 5 very easy, 1, and this square bracket closed. So we have solved the bar bracket. Now after solving the bar bracket, we have to go for the small bracket. And where is the small bracket? Here it is. I am just highlighting it. In the next step we will solve this and we will remove this. Now 37, remaining numbers I am writing as it is. 37 plus the square bracket 15 minus. Now I can remove this because there are only two digits and only one operation, that is sum. So 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 10 minus 1 and the square bracket close. Now in the next step we will try to solve and remove the bracket. So 37 plus, here 2 times subtraction is given. So first if you will subtract 15 minus 10, I am just highlighting because from left to right we go. So first I am subtracting this 2. 15 minus 10 is 5. Yes, I have replaced this with 5 minus 1, bracket close. Now in the last step I will be removing this 37 plus, what is 5 minus 1? It is 4. And lastly what we have to do, addition is left. So 37 plus 4, 38, 39, 40, 41. 37 plus 4 is 41. So in this manner, when the brackets are given, so we will follow the solving sequence of bracket, that is bar bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and the outermost is square bracket. So try to do this your own.